This is Mark Brannon from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 2206. It's like new condition. The miles are under 1,000 miles. The chassis is a 2022 Chevy K3500, wheelbase of 171 inches. It's 4-wheel drive. The engine is a Duramax V8 diesel. Overall length is 23 feet 10 inches. Overall height is 110 inches. Headroom is 68 inches. It's an AEV box. All new paint, new door gaskets, new wheel and siren and speakers, new LED lighting, Vanner inverter and charger, a new ACC HVAC system with new hose and fittings. Body configuration is left front, front diesel tank, rear diesel tank, left rear compartment, has a new bumper and diamond plating, rear entry, LSA seat with action areas in the front and rear. Has a partial walk-through door. ALS cabinets from inside and out. A new RC Tronics front panel, control panel, and console. PDQ. Right rear compartment. Curbside door. Electrical step. Front right-hand compartment. And rear compartment. If you have any questions concerning or wanting more information on truck 2206, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.